Happy Monday, everyone. This is our dual preview video. We're going to preview what we're going to do this unit, and then we're going to preview what we're going to do this week. So I'll start with the unit. This slide covers our entire year. I'm going to show you what we're going to focus on to start the year, though. So right here is an atom, and we are going to be studying matter. And all matter is made up of atoms. So we're going to be studying important concepts like mass and volume and density. Those are all critical to our study of matter. And then we're going to find out, as I mentioned, that matter is made up of atoms. We're going to study the structure of the atom, and we're going to study how atoms combine to form elements. And then elements can combine to form molecules and compounds. And then we're going to take a look down here at what happens if we combine different compounds and elements and see how they interact with each other. So that's our plan for the unit. Now, for this week, we are going to take a look at our detailed lesson plan that you can find in Schoology. And we're not going to jump right into the science. We're going to study this week a few techniques that will help make us successful all year long. So first, we're going to make sure we can explain expectations and class norms for science class. And we're going to know how to create documents and submit them in Schoology. We're going to learn how to take notes in the Cornell Notes style. And we're also going to learn what a mind map is and how to create one of those. And then you guys are going to do a little research paper where you're going to review some sources, and you're going to evaluate the pluses and minuses of handwritten versus typed notes. And then you can see on Tuesday, that's our first live lesson. Click on the link that is appropriate for your class period, okay? So each one of these period 1 people, click on this link and it'll take you into the period 1 Zoom meeting. Alrighty, I'm going to be checking at the door. I'll let you in if you're in the appropriate class. And then on Wednesday, we're going to practice doing some Schoology submissions. Thursday is our next live meeting. We're going to practice our Cornell notes. We'll do that together as a team. And then your Friday, Monday work will be to create a mind map and to do the handwritten versus typed notes exercise. So that's our plan for the week. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. Can't wait to get started.